this is going to become a traveling trophy.
Ms. Doherty! Come on up, Ms. Doherty.
King Elementary is being granted $20,000 for a technology makeover. I'll say that again for all of you. $20,000.
The Leap for Learning program is a program in which a K-12 school in the state of Wisconsin is presented with a $20,000 technology makeover.
We're here today at Kings Elementary School in Green Bay, awarding the school with a $20,000 grant for STEM resources with US Cellular, the Packers, and the Leap for Learning initiative. The kids couldn't be more excited, more energetic, fired up, passionate about it, and that makes it all worth it. I'm hoping that my book and the donation from US Cellular and the Packers is really going to help kids at Kings Elementary just by giving them as many resources as possible, and I hope they enjoy learning as much as I do.
For King Elementary to receive this $20,000 grant, it really means growing our capacity that's already within what we're all about, and extending our school day, building innovative opportunities within and outside of the Bell schedule, so that kids have more technology in their hands, have that exposure, those opportunities.
The first thing we did when we found out that we won the grant was, I think we just started dreaming big on things that we could use in our building to continue our STEM initiative.
Grants like this kind of help to bring attention to the work that's being done to make our school better than it's ever been.
Yeah, and I think it's just really exciting. They know that this money is going to them and their school. So I think they're just really excited to see what's next for King Elementary.